Why do others move on so easily and I'm still feeling the same thing days later? Sometimes I wonder, am I too emotional? Am I too sensitive? If you have ever judged yourself for feeling deeply, this conversation is for you. Let me say this clearly before we go deeper. Many emotionally aware and intuitive people feel life more intensely than others. But there is an important difference that we need to understand today. Intensity doesn't always come from the present. Sometimes it comes from the emotions that were never given space in the past. Are all intense emotions unresolved? No, not every intense emotion means something unresolved. Joy can be intense, love can be intense, grief can be intense. But when an emotion feels overwhelming, repeats again and again, leaves you emotionally exhausted, or makes you question yourself, that's when it's worth asking. Is this emotion older than this situation? So, what these unresolved emotions really are? Unresolved emotions are feelings we didn't get to feel safely at the time. Maybe you were told, don't cry, be strong, adjust. It's not a big deal. So, you learned to ignore, suppress, or minimize yourself. But emotions don't get disappeared, okay? But they get stored in the body, in the nervous system, waiting for permission. Why do they return as strong reactions? When a current situation emotionally resembles an old experience, your system reacts as if it's happening again. That's why a tone feels like rejection. Silence feels like abandonment. Criticism feels like I'm not enough. The mind says it's okay. The body says I've been there before. Ask yourself gently without judging. Does this reaction feels bigger than the situation? Do I feel younger, smaller, or helpless inside? Have I felt this pain in different relationships before? Do I feel drained or ashamed after reacting? If yes, then this emotion may not be new. It's asking to be acknowledged. Now, here's something that most people don't talk about. When emotions are repeatedly suppressed, the body carries the load. Handwriting, which flows directly from the nervous system, often reflects this load. Signs like excessive pressure, trembling strokes, overcrowded writing, uneven rhythm, these are not flaws. They are signs of emotional holding, what the heart learned to contain. The solution is not to force yourself to move on. Healing begins when you stop fighting to your intensity and start listening to it. Unresolved emotion don't need judgment, okay? They need safety, expression, and gentle rewiring. So, your intense emotions don't mean that you are weak, okay? They mean you feel deeply. And something inside you still wants care. When you treat your emotions with compassion, they stop screaming and start guiding you. If you are curious about what your handwriting reveals about your emotional patterns, comment curious. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel because here we don't suppress our emotions, we understand them. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.